couple Frenchies, a little Boston, and an Ember. These two gals are the best pals, Ember and Luna. Kisses for days. Miss Ember loves the little guys. Oh, they love her. There's Miss Luna, Mr. Turbo. Miss Marley's trying to get everybody to play, but it's not happening, huh, bub? It's okay. You got your little pack of buds right there. Look at you guys. Turbo especially loves Miss Marley. Hi, Shadow. Shadow likes to nap. Mr. Edison. Hey, bud. Oh, too many puppies for Ed. Smurf. Hi, Smurf. Hi, Smurf. And see, Mochi's upset because Smurfy's too far. Hi, Moch. Hi, Moch. Oh, goodness. Ember will love you.